Today, I'm going to show you how to add a recent blog post widget to your Thinkific homepage using DropInBlog. Once logged into your Thinkific account, on the left-hand side, navigate to Channels, then click on Website. In the website page, find your homepage, then click on it. You'll be taken to the Site Builder. Then under Sections, click on Add Section here. In the pop-up, navigate to the DropInBlog section, then click on Recent Posts to add your recent blog posts. You'll see your recent posts in the preview, and if you click on the Recent Posts widget under Sections here, you can edit the widget's title, how many posts show, which content the widget will display, and filter the content by category. Once satisfied, click on Save on the upper right. To check out your recent blog post widget in your homepage, just click on Back here on the upper left. Then click on this chain icon to copy your blog page link. Paste the link in the address bar and hit Enter. And there are your recent blog posts. And that is how you add a recent blog posts widget to your Thinkific homepage using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!